worship and the Sunday laws of emperors, many Christians continue to worship on the seventh-day Sabbath. In fact, Christian churches that abandoned the Sabbath were in the minority. But that didn't last. Sunday became an established part of Christian worship. The minority who kept the seventh day suffered through dark times of trial and persecution, but eventually interest in the Bible Sabbath revived.
The matter is clear. It takes only our own records of days and weeks to make an end of the argument. It is the seventh day, the Sabbath of creation, that we need to keep holy.
And now, the story of the Sabbath continues in the concluding episode of The Seventh Day, Revelations from the Lost Pages of History.
That introduction that you just heard was by the actor Hal Holbrook and a documentary that he did a number of years ago on the Bible Sabbath. You'll hear more of that presentation in the last half of tonight's program. Welcome back, friends, to your firm foundation. This is Frank Ricks thanking you for joining us tonight. In tonight's presentation, in a very friendly and biblical way, Pastor Mark Finley will answer questions that you may have about the Sabbath. Sabbath arguments. Should we keep the Bible Sabbath? I believe that you'll find his answers tonight very biblical and spiritual. God bless you as you listen to this presentation. Tonight's program is program number 6 in our continuing series on the seventh day. We'll go to Pastor Mark Finley's presentation now. And you say, Pastor Mark, why make an issue of this? Does a day make any difference at all? Did a tree make a difference in the Garden of Eden? When Eve partook of the tree in the Garden of Eden, the issue was not simply the taking of the fruit. The issue was disobedience to God. And the tree made all the difference in the world because Eve stepped out of God's will. The issue is more than a matter of days, just like the issue in the Garden of Eden was more than a matter of trees. The issue is a matter of willingness to do God's will.